Lee, in a vibrant and lush forest, there lived 5 majestic peacocks and 5 mischievous macaw kids. The peacocks were known for their stunning beauty with their vibrant plumage and graceful strut, while the macaw kids were known for their playful antics and colorful feathers. The peacocks lived in a beautiful palace at the heart of the forest, surrounded by towering trees and blooming flowers. They spent their days dancing in the sunlight and admiring their own reflection in the crystal clear pond. The macaw kids, on the other hand, lived in a cozy nest at the top of a towering tree where they spent their days playing games and exploring the forest. Despite their differences, the peacocks and macaw kids were the best of friends. They would often meet in the middle of the forest to play games and share stories. The peacocks would teach the macaw kids about their regal ways, while the macaw kids would teach the peacocks about the joy of playfulness and adventure. One day, as the sun began to set over the forest, the peacocks and macaw kids gathered at their usual meeting spot. The peacocks preened their feathers while the macaw kids squawked and chirped in excitement. Suddenly, a loud roar echoed through the forest, causing the birds to stop in their tracks. "We must investigate," declared the eldest peacock, spreading his magnificent tail feathers in a display of courage. The macaw kids nodded eagerly, their eyes shining with excitement. Together, the peacocks and macaw kids ventured deep into the forest, following the sounds of the mysterious roar. As they made their way through the dense undergrowth, they stumbled upon a clearing where a fierce lion stood, his mane bristling with anger. The peacocks and macaw kids stood frozen in fear, unsure of what to do. But then the bravest of the macaw kids stepped forward, puffing out his chest and squawking loudly. The lion narrowed his eyes, sizing up the tiny bird before him. "You dare challenge me, little one?" The lion growled, his voice rumbling like thunder. But the macaw kid stood his ground, his feathers ruffling with determination. "We may be small, but we are mighty," he declared, his voice filled with courage. The peacocks watched in awe as the macaw kid faced off against the lion, his fearless spirit shining brightly. Suddenly, a loud screech filled the air as the other macaw kids joined in, flapping their wings and screeching in unison. The lion blinked in surprise, caught off guard by the unexpected show of bravery from the colorful birds. Realizing that he was outnumbered, the lion let out a frustrated roar before turning and disappearing into the forest. The peacocks and macaw kids cheered in triumph, their hearts filled with pride and joy. From that day on, the peacocks and macaw kids became known as the forest guardians, protecting the creatures of the forest from any danger that threatened them. The peacocks shared their wisdom and grace, while the macaw kids shared their courage and spirit of adventure. And so, the peacocks and macaw kids lived happily ever after, their friendship and bravery celebrated throughout the forest. And whenever they heard a roar echo through the trees, they would stand together, ready to face any challenge that came their way. For they knew that as long as they stood united, nothing could stand in their way.